Hello guys, in this video I will show you a website which provides you free API keys to all the AI models including Claude, GPT, Gemini, Quen, Kimi K3, all the models. So it's an AI gateway, OmniRoute it is called here. Go to the browser, simply type this address omniroute.online, and or you can go to Google, simply type OmniRoute, the very first website which comes. So it's a very fantastic website, free open source, and it provides you up to 268 providers, one endpoint, and it's completely free. And this is a landing page, as you can see right here, free forever. It's a local, you can locally configure it. API key you get, OAuth, everything. So you can directly install this inside your machine. So I will show you how to configure this. So first of all, click on Start Free. So once you do this, you will be redirected to their GitHub repo. It's got almost 43,000 GitHub stars. So it's really popular open source software. Now to actually install this, it's quite easy. They have given the instructions. So the very simple command, if you are running Windows, you can install through this npm install the -g OmniRoute. So let me just install this. So just paste this command. You should have Node.js installed for this. So we are installing through npm install -g for global. So we are globally installing OmniRoute. So just enter it, and this will install this inside your machine. So after the installation is complete, we will configure the API key. So we can either chat with this, as you can see, we have chatting interface. You can set up, you can even diagnose as well. So these are all the commands which are present. You can read the documentation. It's very good documentation. So just wait for the installation to complete. I will show you how to configure this. So the best part is that it directly configures directly locally inside your machine. So once you install this, we just need to configure the provider and then start coding. So it's a full CLI tool. It directly runs inside your machine terminal. It's kind of a AI gateway to many AI models. For configuring it, you need to paste the API key of many providers. So it's still installing it. So it does take some time for installing it, about 2 to 3 minutes for the installation to fully complete. So just wait for installation to complete. So I have used it for over a month now. It's really good open source software. The thing about that, it's 268 providers, so you never out of tokens. So it communicates across multiple providers. So it's completely free. So don't need to pay any subscription cost. No credit card needed. So it's completely free. So once the installation complete, you come to the dashboard, connect the port number, and you pick from 90 plus free trials and sign in. No credit card, no paid API key needed. You can even point your IDE as well. Everything is built in. So you basically get free quota up to 1.4 billion tokens per month. So basically this OmniRoute provides you about 1.4 billion tokens per month. So it has a free quota and it gives you 1.4 billion tokens. So I think it's a very good software. Definitely check this out. You can integrate with any provider such as Claude Code, Codex, Cursor, Gemini, Copilot, Clin, OpenCode. anti-gravity, code, continue, all the providers you can do that. Just wait, it's still installing it, so it does take some time. So it has a total of 268 providers. It also uses RTK token compression as well, which makes it easy for you to use this.